Two guys start a trade at 41. Same age, same starting line. One of them is making good money by 44. With knees, they still work.
Ow, I feel good.
The other one, he's broke, in pain, and out of the trade by 48. The difference wasn't effort. They both worked hard. The difference was the trade they picked. 30 years in the trades, and I've watched both guys play out 100 times. And today, I'm telling you exactly which trades to pick at 40 and which ones will eat your last good decade alive. Guys, real quick, I put together a totally free 2026 Blue Collar Resource Guide. It's got links to getting started in union jobs, free apprenticeships, grants to start up your own business, and much more. It's totally free, my gift to you. Just hit the link down in the description and grab your copy today. And while you're at it, tap that subscribe button and notification bell. It's also free to you, and it helps us bring 3 fresh new videos to you every single week. I appreciate you. Now let's get into it. Here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud to a 40-year-old thinking about getting into the trades. Your body, it's not 20 anymore. And that's not an insult. It's the most important factor in this whole decision, and almost nobody even wants to talk about it. I spent 12 years as a UAW inspector, and one thing I saw over and over, the guys who come into the hard physical jobs in their 40s, a lot of them didn't make it to retirement in that role. Their bodies gave out first. But the guys who came in and got into the right positions, the ones that ran on skill and judgment instead of raw backbreaking labor, those guys lasted. Same age coming in, completely different ending. And that stuck with me. So here's how we're gonna do this. I'm filtering every trade through one question. Can a 40-year-old body start this and still be standing strong at 60 or 65? So we'll do the worst trades first, so you know what to avoid, and then we'll do the best. Stay till the end though, guys, because the #1 best trade for starting over, it's the one almost nobody even expects. So let's start with what to avoid. Number 3 on the worst list, roofing. Look, roofing pays okay, and the demand, it's always there, but think about what the job actually is. You're on a pitched surface in the sun most of the time, hauling bundles of shingles that weigh 60, 70 pounds up a damn ladder. And you're on your knees all day. For a 25-year-old buck, that's brutal, but it's doable. For a body that's starting at 41, you're starting the hardest physical trade there is with the least runway to absorb it. The guys who roof into their 50s started in their teens probably. Their bodies adapted over 30 years. You don't get that adaptation window starting at 40. You got the heat, the knees, the falls. This one takes more than it gives, a late starter. There are better ways to make this money. Number 2, concrete and flat work. Concrete is one of the most punishing trades on the human body, period. I know firsthand. You're bent over for hours. You're moving wet concrete. It's heavier than most anything else on the whole entire job site. And the clock is always running because the material, it's literally hardening while you work. There's no take it easy today. The pour, it dictates the pace. I've watched concrete guys in their 40s, guys who'd been doing it since they were kids, and their backs and hips were already shot. Now, imagine starting at 40 with a fresh, unconditioned body. The pay's decent, but the body cost for a late starter is just way too damn high, guys, so skip it. And the worst trade to start over in at 40? Straight demolition and general labor. Here's the problem. It's the easiest to get into with no certification, no apprenticeship. They'll hire you tomorrow probably, and that's exactly the trap. It's all body, no ladder. You're swinging sledges, hauling debris. You're doing some of the rawest physical work on the entire job site. And there's almost no skill progression that pulls you up out of the physical work as you get older. A 22-year-old can use general labor as a doorway to get into a trade maybe, but a 40-year-old who lands in demo and stays there, he's doing maximum body damage for minimum long-term payoff. If you take a labor job, treat it as a 6-month doorway into something skilled maybe, never the destination. Now, we get to the good part. The trade's actually built for a guy starting over at 40. And the #1 best one? It's a trade where being older is literally an advantage, not a handicap. Stick with me, it's coming right up. But first, if you're sitting there at 38 or 42 thinking, okay, JV, I'm in, but how do I actually start without going broke for years? That's exactly the problem Course Career solves. They get guys into skilled, high-paying paths fast without a 4-year degree and without the debt. Some tracks are trades, lots of construction trades, and some are tech adjacent for guys who want the income without the physical wear. There's no degree and it's all skills based, connected straight to employers that are hiring right now. Check it out for the free intro course, guys. I think you'll love it. The link's down in the description. Now, the best trades for starting over. Number 3 on the best list, electrical. Here's why this works for a late starter. Electrical is demanding, but it's not back-breaking the way roofing or concrete is. It runs on knowledge, precision, and code. The stuff a mature, careful 40-year-old is actually good at. You're problem solving as much as you're lifting, and the demand is through the roof right now. EV charging, data centers, grid work. An apprentice is earning while he's learning, and a licensed guy, he's into the $70,000 to $90,000 range and beyond. A 40-year-old who's careful, reads well, and shows up reliably, the trade rewards exactly that. Your knees will thank you and your brain does the heavy lifting for you. Number 2, HVAC. Now, HVAC is one of the best second career trades there is, in my opinion. And here's the key reason. There are multiple lanes inside of it, and several of them get easier on the body as you specialize. You can start in service. As you build the skill, move toward diagnostics, or controls, or building automation. The technical lanes where you're working a laptop and a meter, more than your back. And the entry is fast. Your EPA 608 cert runs around $150. Study for it in a weekend. Demand is screaming, and signing bonuses, I've seen them from $5,000 to $15,000. That's normal right now. For a 40-year-old, you can be certified and earning real money inside of a year, with a clear path that gets less physical as you get more valuable. That makes good sense, fellas, and that's the ideal shape for a late starter career. And the number 1 best trade starting over in 40, in my opinion, is plumbing. I know some of you expected something flashier, but here's why plumbing wins for a late starter, and it's 3 things stacked together. 1, the demand. It's permanent. It's recession proof. People always need water and drains in every economy, and AI is not going to climb up under a sink and replace your P-trap. 2, the workforce is old. Half of licensed plumbers are over 50 and retiring. You're walking into a wide open lane most states. And 3, this is a big one. Plumbing has the clearest path to owning your own business of almost any trade out there. The last part is why being 40 is an advantage and not a handicap. A guy who's lived some life, knows how to talk to customers, knows how to show up and be reliable, and he knows how to run his money, he can become a self-employed plumber with his own van and a clear $100,000 plus year income. Because the maturity you bring at 40 is exactly what running that business takes. You're not behind. For this trade, your age is the qualification. So here's what I want you to take from all this. The worst trades for late starter all had one thing in common. They run on your back, and they offer no escape from the physical work as you age. The best ones all run on your skill and your judgment and your ability to eventually run the work instead of just doing it. And that second list, those are the things that get better with age, not worse. The patience, reliability, the people skills, the discipline with money. A 40-year-old has all of that in a way a 22-year-old simply doesn't have. Starting over at 40 isn't a handicap in the right trade, it's an edge. You just have to point it at the trades that reward a man, not just a young body. And here's a quick recap. The ones to avoid starting at 40, roofing, concrete, and straight demolition. All body and no ladder. The ones to pick, electrical, HVAC, and number 1, plumbing. Skill-based, fast to real money, and they reward exactly the maturity you bring to the table. You didn't miss your window at 40, you just have to walk through the right door. A guy starting at 40 in the right trade is making real money with a body that lasts by 43. And that can be you. Hey guys, it's JV. I was thinking when I was putting that video together there, that I wanted to kind of tell my story, not my whole story, but another option to take it easy on your back and to get through and to actually retire without a broken back. I started in the UAW when I was 40 years old, almost 41. At first, it's brutal. It was tough because I was out there going at it with a lot of 20-year-olds, working this similar jobs, and it's backbreaking at first. But the good thing about the UAW, if you can get on, is that you get seniority, and they have job bids every week, and you can bid on new jobs. So now that I've been there 12, 13 years, I got a pretty cush job. Just do inspections, and it's great. no work on the back, no physical work, just a little bit of walking. So that's another option. I said plumber was number one, and it is most of the time, but if you can get on the UAW and you like, you know, working with your hands and stuff, as you increase in seniority, it's a good route too. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel too. I'm JV. See you later. If this hit home, I've got 2 videos on the end screen. Make sure and check them out. One's on getting started with zero experience, and one is ranking every trade by real income. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Smack that subscribe and notification bell for me. I'm JV Charles, and we'll see you on the next one.